Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Sony. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and right here we should have not connected. After that, remove it from the charging case. Now we have connected again. Check your headphones, maybe it fixed your problem, but if it doesn't, I recommend it to remove these headphones, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that put your headphones to the charging case and press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on it in the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!